Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're doing another quick look at Townstar. We're going to be checking out some changes that are coming to the program, and I've also got another competition for you, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in Townstar, and you can see that we have 4 hours, 32 minutes or 31 minutes until the next competition starts. Now, 2 weeks ago, I set a competition for you guys saying that if any of you that were in my my downline at the time, if you could get in the top 100, then I would pay you or put a 1 million Ethereum into your GalaGames account. Now, unfortunately, no one actually claimed that prize, and that is in fact why I'm doing this video right now, because there's been some really great news that has popped up from GalaGames concerned with Townstar, and I think you're gonna like it. So if we dive into the Discord server, or a screenshot from the Discord server which was put on last night, you can see here, we're not worried about the rest of it, but right here, 200 places will pay out instead of the 100. So 2 weeks ago I stipulated that top 100 basically because that is the sort of the pay-in area that Townstar works on, or GalaGames had set. So if you get in the top 100, you would get paid Gala Token from GalaGames. But now they are saying, and I did mention this in my last video, that this is something they were looking at along with some other stuff to actually start extending the rewards further down the rankings, and that is what they've done right here. So instead of being in only getting rewards for the top 100, you are now getting rewards if you place in the top 200 as well. And if we look at this screenshot here, you can see the rewards that will be distributed through that top 200. So even if you are in 200th place, you will still receive 400 Gala. Obviously, as you go up the leaderboard, it gets more and more and more. But place number 77 is, I think, a place that a lot of people are going to be fighting over, because as you can see here, from 101 to 200 you get 400, 78 to 100 you're going to get 800, but at 77, if you hit, or if you finish exactly in 77th place, you will get 7,777 Gala tokens, and then it drops back down for 51st to 76. Now that's why I think place number 77, for those people that know they're probably not going to get in to the top 50, I think you're going to see a lot of people tweaking their town, trying to basically hit that 77th place. Personally, I'm just going for the top 200. Now, this will lead on to something that I'm going to talk about in a bit, and that is another competition. But for those of you that are getting involved with Townstar and are using it, two great things is that the Gala token has now gone up to 3 cents, or I think it's just below 3 cents, but they've just rounded it up. But 3 cents, I think in the very first video I did, it was actually below 1 cent. So now we're up to 3 cents. And as I keep talking, and I've mentioned in many of my videos, Engine Coin. Engine Coin is a coin or token that was connected very similar with a platform like Gala. That has now, with the rise of Bitcoin, just gone back over $2.50. So Gala is nowhere near where Engine's platform is, but it's getting closer. They're releasing more games. Obviously, they have a really tight network and community on Discord if you guys want to check that out. And basically, for me, in the early stages of GalaGames, if you want to get into a token or a coin that I believe is going to go really big, I think it's going to go to at least a couple of dollars, maybe $1, $1.50, $2, something like that, like Engine Coin has. You need to get in now because it's good. As soon as the other games are released, you've got Mirandus, you've got Echo of Empires, Echo of Empires, and then you've got Fortified. They've got other games in the works as well. This is gonna snowball rapidly, and you're gonna really start seeing Gala Token taking off. So, like I say, just as not as advice, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not qualified to really say this, but it's a gut feeling going on how Engine Coin has gone with Gala. I think you could very much see the same thing happening. So another thing, if you are looking to get into Townstar, make sure you're using this resource, townstar.guide. I will put a link in the description. The great thing with this is no matter what you can create in the game, this list here will tell you exactly how many city points you earn, how much you will earn money-wise from whatever you're creating, and what is required to create that item. And you can go scroll down and it will give you all that information, which is an absolute brilliant thing. I'm constantly referring to this, trying to figure out what I want to be making, how many city stars it's going to earn me, how much money it's going to earn me, all that kind of stuff. And the other big thing that I use constantly is the gas map. This is basically a map of the world, our world, and it does the red squares are cities. You can see that's Anchorage, Edmonton, Canada, Seattle, and basically the numbers represent how much it's going to cost you in gasoline to sell your items to the nearest town. That is why it's absolutely an amazing resource and something that you want to be using all the time to check out where you are best placed to put your town and to be as close as possible to any of these red squares. So when you sell, those sale times are really, really low. Something you'll find with Townstar, it's all about speed. How fast you can build your town, how fast you can sell your items, so that the time from your truck leaving or your boat leaving your town, getting to the nearest city and back, everything is about speed. So like I say, this resource is absolutely brilliant. Okay, so what is the competition? Now, as I've just stated, we are looking at the top 200 to be awarded by GalaGames. I'm looking to do something similar. This competition, though, I am again making only for the first 33 referrals that I had. Basically because obviously you guys were unable to claim that 1 million for being in the top 100. Obviously, for those of you that have joined my downline since that video, don't worry, in 2 weeks time you will get your chance, as everyone will be involved in the competition I will be setting on September the 15th. But currently, these guys, if you are in this list, or this list, then you are eligible for the competition I'm about to set. So again, if you are one of these people or one of these people, you are eligible for the competition I'm about to set. Now, what is that competition? So if you get if you rank between 200 and 101, you get and you're the highest one in that area, you'll get 500,000 into your GalaGames account. If you manage to get into that top 100, I will give you, or deposit into your account, 1 million Ethereum. Like I say, it's 2 prizes. So if one person gets into the top 100 and another person gets into the bottom or the 200 to 101, then one person will get 500,000 and one person will get 1 million. If we only have people get into that bottom 200 to 101 and no one makes it into that top 100, then the top 2 people in that 200 to 101 will get 500,000 each into their GalaGames account. Now, I'm sure many of you are probably thinking, well, why is the 15 or the 1,500,000 not split between the 2 people that get awarded if they're in that 200 to 101? Simply because getting into that top 100 is a massive achievement, and I want it to be a special reward if anyone actually makes it into that top 100. But like I say, the top 2 people, if you're in that 200 to 101, you will get 500,000 each into your GalaGames account. Also as well, there are no real stipulations on the... Basically, as long as you stick to the Townstar rules, if you decide that you want to buy yourself some NFTs, or it basically, all you got to do is get in that top 200. That's all it is. It's entirely up to you how you make it. Obviously, if Townstar deemed that you are cheating, then you don't get anything from me either. But other than that, it's pretty much just stick to the Townstar rules. Obviously, you can use the auto sell script. If you don't know where that is, check out my Townstar playlist, which I will put at the end of this video. You'll be able to click on that. That will tell you where to get the auto sell script from and how to use it. And that's it, really. Other than that, good luck. I hope at least a few of you get into that top 200 so I can give out these prizes. So if you are interested in that playlist, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.